Hakka Mantis courses. So you have reached the home page of Hakka Mantis courses. Move up to the top menu and scroll across. You'll see submenus of pages and courses. With the plus you can add Hakka Mantis courses to your social media. With the magnifier you can search the site. Click sign in and enter your username and password. Or click the password recovery tool if needed and enter your email address. But first you should get registered as a user of the site. Enter a username with only lowercase letters and no spaces. Make it special to yourself. Enter a valid email address. Create a strong password using lower and uppercase, numbers and symbols. And repeat your password. Now enter the capture code and then click register. You'll see the message saying registration complete. Check your mailbox to activate the account. Check your welcoming email from Hakka Mantis courses. It contains your password. Don't lose it. Write it down. Click the link to activate your account. It will open a new window with your Hakka Mantis profile. Enter your first name, last name, and your current style of martial arts. In this section, write a short and interesting bio of yourself. On the left, you can upload an avatar for your profile. Make it something appropriate. Below your avatar, my profile is this page. When you take courses they will be listed here and clickable. Click my links to attach Hakka Mantis courses to your social media profiles. Under my settings you can change your email address and password. And under my orders you will find a list of invoices and all courses taken. Now that you are registered, you may take the free courses offered. Next you will enroll your annual membership to gain access to all online courses. Go to the Enroll Your Membership video tutorial now.